Welcome to another episode of Cleaning with the Academy. I'm your coach, Dave Thompson. And yes, I have something in my hand. I don't know if you've got one or not, but if you're a kayak owner, hey, you know what this is. Now, as you saw in my other hat, I've applied the baseboard stripper. We used a little edger, went along the edge, and now we got to rinse this water. So we're going to turn water on. We're going to hit some water, and we're going to rinse the baseboard, if you will, please. Okay, so you can hear the pump running, and what we're going to do is rinse the baseboard. Now notice that I'm actually spraying at the top of the bottom of the baseboard. Rinse the wall. This is a plain painted block wall. So I'm going to spray right here. Now once I've done that, what's always the bad part? Right where the coat base hits the floor. So let's rinse that too. Now folks, this is how you rinse the baseboards. Come on back and I'll show you how to pick it up on another hack of cleaning with the Academy.